Hey everyone, so today I have another video for you and I have a bunch of different blind boxes. Now I actually know what I have in all of these. I got this from MyPlasticHeart and these are all ones that I claimed myself. So I know what's in every single one, but I wanted to show you all because it is a new variety. So we have the Sanrio characters back-to-back company series. It's Sanrio characters holding backpacks. We have two Laura No Fairy Tales, which I got for a friend. And then we have two Shinu Ghost Bear House. We have two Hacipupu My Little Hero. And we have a Fantastic Galactic Bananaboo. We have one Hirono Mime series. And finally we have two Lulu Lites. So I just wanted to show everything that we had. So I think we'll start with the Sanrio one. As you can see, the bottom's already open. It's because I already know what's inside. But actually, before I show you, this is the lineup that we can get. You can get Hangyodon, My Melody, Kuromi, Cinnamon Roll, Pachako, Pom Pom Pudding, and Kiki and Lala. And they all have miniature backpacks, so it's really, really cute. So which two do you think I would have claimed? And I got My Melody! So if you look at My Melody, she looks so adorable. She's on this little stand right here, and if you look behind, there is a little backpack with her little mouse friend with some resin wings. And here is the card. There's the backpack on the back, and then My Melody in the front. So here they are together. It looks so good. And then should we just go along this way? So we have the Laura Fairy Tales series. So Laura is a figure from Toy City. So you can get Little Red Riding Hood, Alice in Wonderland, the Pumpkinhead, Cinderella, Big Bad Wolf, Scarecrow, Queen of Hearts, Witch Crow, White Moth Queen, and then two secrets. For this series, I asked my friend if she wanted me to grab a couple of them, and she said yes. So these are the ones that she kind of wanted. Oh, it's in like a gold foil. That's pretty cool. And here we have the Red Queen. Oh, the details are pretty nice. So she has little rose flowers for her hair. She's holding a little black cat, and her dress is like a resin. So here is the Queen of Hearts, and her tag is like, her card is like a little tag. That's pretty cool. This is my first Laura series I've ever opened, and if you look in her eyes are so detailed too. It's like a little explosion of color. Okay, next is the Shinu House series. Usually if a new Shinu series comes out, I'm the first one to grab the whole set, but this one I only wanted a couple of them. So it's a Haunted Ghost series, and here is the lineup. There is Welcome Home, Ghost Hunter, Cheesy Trap, Warm Hug, Chandelier, Be With Me, Web a Heart, Swallowed Light, Cat Butler, Hide and Seek, Laundry Time, Ghost Bear Channel, and Two Secrets. And this is a pretty cool series, but it wasn't particularly my style, so there were a few that I really wanted. I actually really wanted a Small Secret, but I couldn't grab that one. So I got two of the ones that I really wanted. Oh, and it's still sealed. Look at the bag. It's like a newspaper. That's so cool. And the first one I got was a Cheesy Trap. Its hand is supposed to get like bitten somehow. Okay. So I thought there's indents in his hand, so I thought that that would be where like this thing is, but you just kind of shove it in and it looks like that. And here is the card that goes with Cheesy Trap. The reason why I wanted this is because they had ghost bears and they had ghost bunnies. But this is the first ghost mouse, and I needed at least one mouse. So I wanted this one. Okay, next we're gonna do the Haji Poo My Little Hero series. And I usually don't collect Hacipupu, but there are some times where I need to get a couple of them. Here's the lineup. You can get the Firefighter, Dr. H, Astronaut, Little Guard, Courier, Little Champion, Little Farmer, Teacher, Doctor, Seller, Pilot, and Commander. And I got 2 in hopes of getting one of the ones I wanted, and I did. So let's see which one I got. And it's still sealed in the box, or in the bag. And we got the little guard. So we have a little Hacipupu and a little bear guard. And there's a little baby right here, kind of like, I'm also gonna protect. This is so cute. Look at them. He has a little shield that goes down and up. It doesn't go all the way down though. I don't want to break it, but it goes pretty down. But it... Oh, its head is twistable. To be honest, I really just bought this so in hopes of getting the little guard, which I did. So next one I have is this Bananaboo, which is the Fantastic Galactic series. And this is a pretty derpy series. Basically, they're bananas with different designs. The ones that I really wanted was the Lucky Star Boo, but I think that's the most popular one too. But the one I got wasn't that one. I'll show you what I got though. We got the Happy Star Boo. It's a blue Bananaboo with yellow stars. Oh my god, look at that butt crack. It's a pretty cute toy. It's a little derpy though. The reason why I got this is because I won it off a raffle. Otherwise, I wouldn't really get this on my own. Okay, so next one is a Lulu Lite. And it's Lulu's in this tiny little, like, it's kind of like a Spam can. It's so cute. And there aren't many different designs you can get. They're sitting, hanging, stretching, lying, and sleeping. Oh, it's like a Ziploc bag. That's pretty cool. Okay, so it looks like there's no card for this, but we have lying. And someone told me I have like a rare one because this one has little pink hearts on it. And they said that's kind of like a sign of a rare design. It's not the secret one though. But this is the one I really, really wanted. So cute. Look at that. It's so tiny too. And it doesn't come with a card, but it comes with like these instructions on like a flocked toy and how there's kind of like this ring around its butt and a little hole. It's explaining all that. So maybe we'll just go ahead and go this way again. So we'll open the second Lulu Lite. And this one is stretching. Look at Lulu, it's so cute. Now this isn't the one I was hoping for. I was actually hoping for sleeping, where it's lying on its back, so full. But this Lulu is actually so adorable. It looks so much better in person. I'm happy with this one actually. We're gonna go for this one, the Hirono Mime series next. And this is the lineup that you can get. You can get Guardian, Blind, Seeker, Devilry, Drifter, Fool, Unspoken, Patience, Prison, Destroy, Poem, and Secrecy. And it has one secret, which is like a TV that lights up, which is pretty cool too. But when I saw this, there was only one I really liked, and that's the one I grabbed. I really like the bag for this series. It's like a director's slate, which is really cool. And the one we got is Secrecy. So basically, it's a Hirono with a little dinosaur, and they're playing telephone with these cups. And here is the card. It's like a hand-drawn charcoal painting almost, or charcoal drawing. Oh, it looks so good. I love this series so much. Okay, so for the next one, we're gonna do the other Hacipupu Little Hero series. And we got the little commander. So I thought all of them came with a stand, but I guess they don't. A few of them do and a few of them don't. But we have a little police officer with a little bird on its arm and a little duck buddy right here. Okay, the next one is the Shinu house. And there was one Shinu house that I really wanted. So this is the one. We got the ghost channel. This is my favorite design in the whole series. So usually I don't like the non-ghost bears, but this is amazing. So it has like a broken TV screen with its face, and the TV looks so good. And here is the card. I have a case with all my favorite Shinu ghost bears, and this is definitely going in there. Okay, next we're gonna go for the second Laura. Oh, this one's fully sealed. Oh. And we have Alice. So since we got the Queen of Hearts, we need Alice as its counterpart. And she is holding two little white rabbits. Let's get her on her stand. There she is. And here is her card right here. We have Alice. So this is the last one, the Sanrio characters back-to-back company series. We have My Melody as our first one. What do you think that her second partner will be? And we got Kuromi. So here's Kuromi, super shiny, and she has her little backpack. And she has her little animal buddy. I don't know what this animal is, but she always has it with her. So here is Kuromi, and she looks so good, getting ready for school. And here is the card in the front, and the card in the back. Okay, so this is everything that we got. I knew everything that I was getting in this haul, but still, seeing them in person makes it so much better. I was so pleasantly surprised with these Sanrio ones right here because I didn't expect them to be so big and shiny, but they look so perfect. I also love my Ghost Bear channel and my little guard bear along with my two Lulus. Seeing them just makes me so happy, and it's so vibrant and colorful. It's a different variety this time, that's for sure. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching. Catch me next time at my next video. Thank you.